Hello everyone, today I'll take you on a tour of the DC House factory building. We have two factory facilities covering an estimated 1,400 acres based on warehouse size, with over 400 employees. On the first floor, you'll find our finished battery warehouse. The second through fifth floors house our production lines. On the sixth floor, we have our R&D testing center, and the seventh floor is where our customer service team operates. Let's take a look and head inside.
The first floor houses our warehouse, which spans over 100 acres. All packaged batteries are temporarily stored here before being shipped in batches to ensure timely delivery to customers.
Let's take a look at the battery production line. Most of the processes on our production line are automated, achieving a high level of automation. It takes only 63 seconds to produce a standard 12-volt, 100 ampere-hour battery.
In addition to high production efficiency, ensuring battery quality is our top priority. We've developed innovative metal fixtures that enhance the lifespan of battery cells, preventing premature wear caused by repeating charge and discharge cycles.
Here is our positioning and laser welding machine. It automatically identifies and precisely aligns the batteries for welding, enabling refined and standardized production. In the back is our component assembly area, where each step is handled by dedicated personnel. Professional and standardized production ensures the confidence we have in delivering reliable products. From our large-scale production facilities to specialized equipment, we ensure that every battery we ship is manufactured to the highest standards with meticulous attention to every detail. Whether it's quantity or quality, DC House is equipped to meet your needs. This is our R&D and testing floor, where our team works on developing and upgrading battery products.
DC House allocates significant funding to research and development every year to support innovation.
In recent years, we've made major breakthroughs in battery technology, earning over 30 patent certifications. Here, we conduct various battery tests, including the capacity test, high and low temperature tests, and vibration tests, among others. These safety performance tests ensure the safety and reliability of our products for users. This floor is our customer service area, where we prioritize the customer experience. We provide a range of services, including product information, installation guidance, and purchasing advice, all aimed at ensuring your buying experience is smooth and your usage is worry-free. This is our product showroom. DC House offers a wide range of battery models suitable for various outdoor equipment, along with a complete set of supporting products. In the past 3 years, we've developed 4 new product series covering multiple outdoor applications, including RVs, golf cars, fishing motors, and low-speed vehicles. Whether it's lithium battery chargers, wiring, or other accessories, our non-stop solution makes it easy for you to achieve freedom in outdoor power supply.
Go Lithium, go green with DC House.